Have a ton of devices and not enough chargers? I got you. Check this out. My name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. We're still doing that giveaway, so stay tuned to the end to find out how you can win this charger. Alright guys, so this is part 3 of the 3-part series on this ultimate charging station. This one right here, guys. Yes. Okay, so what do I think? Number one, I think it's a fantastic charger. Okay, if you have 7 devices that you need to charge at once, this is your guy. It's currently on Naztech.com for $99.99. But my final thoughts, okay, I'll be like Jerry Springer. My final thoughts, definitely a 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay, it's got function, definitely got form. It's really pretty and it'll look nice on your nightstand, your countertop, and whatnot. And it's friendly to use. All you got to do is plug in the wall adapter, plug in the cable, and it's good to go. You don't have to follow any crazy instructions. You just plug it in, call it a day, and you're done. So I definitely recommend you guys go to Naztech.com and pick yourself up your Ultimate Charging Station Pro and use coupon code MMTR25 to get that 25% off. We're doing that giveaway once we reach 1,000 followers. We're gonna do a live event. Maybe it'll be on a Saturday, you know, and it'll just be me, you guys, a spin wheel or something. I'll put everybody's name on it and we'll go from there, see who can win. We're gonna be giving away live gifts during that time too. So make sure you guys tune in, like and follow for more. Don't forget guys to like and follow for more.